Hey guys, welcome back to HPI Auto. This is Evan. Today we're going to go over how to open the frunk of your 911 Boxer. Came in pretty much any of the sports cars, ranging from 986, 996, all the way up through 991s and so on and so forth. So when your battery dies, we get a lot of people calling in asking, hey, can't get the front open, how do you do it? So today we're going to go over a quick little guide on how to do that. The first thing you want to do, of course, is open the car door. If it's locked, use the actual key that pulls out of the fob, and then go to your fuse panel that is going to be sitting in the driver's footwell. There's going to be a little tool like this. If you're missing this part in your fuse box, just grab a pair of pliers, something like that, and then you're going to look for this red tab that has a car with the hood popped, and you want to pull it out. And it can be a little bit difficult to get out sometimes. So when you pull it out, you're going to see that there's actually contacts on here. And that's what's going to power the latch on the hood. So then you want to take your jump box. If you have one of these, you want to power it up before, otherwise it won't read, because a lot of these won't read unless it's on a battery. So you want to turn it on, you want to hit your override button. Now it's overridden. Find your ground, and then apply your power to this. And then you have two options here. Sometimes you get lucky and you can just click the button here and the hood will pop. If that doesn't work, that's no big deal. Just go to your key, this is 991, and just hit this button here and it'll pop the hood. Once the hood's popped, you can just turn your power off here, unhook your jump box, slide that back in, put your tool back in, put the cover on, and then now your hood should be popped and you can get to your battery and jump it off or charge it, whatever you're looking to do. So that's pretty much it. That works 99.9% of the time. If that doesn't work, then you might have to dig a little deeper and try to find the actual manual release, which is usually in the fender well behind the headlight. But either way, that's just a simple, quick how-to open the front to get to your battery on the 911s and other sports cars. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe.